Standing on a mountain high, looking at the moon through a clear blue sky. I should go and see some friends, they'll really comprehend. Don't need too much talking without saying anything. All I need is someone who makes me wanna sing. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what lovers haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand and hold me. Show me what love is. Be my guiding star. It's easy. Take me to your heart. Paradise, that's what we reason why I'm calling you sleeping child. All the people around the world, they had a mind like yours. We'd have no fighting and no wars. We last to be some good. All the kings and all the leaders could see you here this way. They would hold the earth in their arms. They would learn to watch you. They would learn to watch you. I see, child, the world so wild that you build. Every night that's one reason why I'm calling you a sleeping child.
Sumobra na bangs. Shout out everyone! Right Manila! Shout out everyone! Team Barangay LS, Team Anas Mini Farm, at syempre Team Pulatas, nag-umigalab shout out. Team Mother Earth, nag-umigalab shout out sa inyo lahat. Kaya hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin si Mother Earth kasi baka makalimutan ko lang lahat. Ayan, maraming salamat. Team Pulatas! Shout out everyone! Huwag kang makalimutan ako. The best! Thank you guys! Salamat sa inyo lahat dyan. Si PR man to, bahala na. Ayan, maraming salamat. God bless everyone. See you again sa susunod ko pang mga video. Bye-bye po now.